students, this video is in continuation of your previous video, okay, of your previous session, session 3, part A. Okay, this is the part B session, and usually in part B we covered your second subject. Okay, in our part A we covered the two subjects, your first subject English as well as the creative. Fine. In our part B we covered the second subject. Fine. So this is your part B in which we are covered your second subject, which is maths today. Okay, and if you see the screen, this is your mathematics book. In our this session we are covering your mathematics subject from your book, which is Child Centric Mathematics Perfection Toolkit 1 of 2 Joyful B. So this is your new book. From today onwards we are doing your emerging 2 syllabus. Okay, so I want that your all focus should be here on class. Okay, let's open your book. So first of all, you have to come on page number 3 of your book. Okay, this is your index where your concepts are mentioned, that in this book what concepts you gonna study. Fine, this is your tier 1, this is your tier 2, this is your tier 3. So in this book you will learn up to tier 3, and in each tier there are total 5 units: unit A, unit B, unit C, unit D as well as unit E. ठीक है, तो हर एक टीयर में आपके 5 units हैं A to E. Okay, so today we are starting with our very first tier, tier 1, and I'll introduce you today unit A. Okay, so turn your page and come on page number 5. If you want to cross check it, so you have to come down and see the number. This is your page number 5. Okay, so your first tier is all about numbers. Okay, तो आप अपनी previous class में numbers करके आए हो 1 to 100, right? तो you all know the counting. आपको सबको 100 तक counting आती है. तो in your first year we are revising the previous concept. ठीक है, तो आपका जो previous concept है 1 to 100 counting का, today we will revising your previous concept. So there is a activity which you have to conduct today. Okay, now your all focus should be here on this worksheet. This is your page number 6. Okay, and if you see over here on top, there is a column mentioned for you. There is a date column. I told you that whenever you start your work you have to fill this topmost column. So here you have to write the date, month, year, and you have to circle the day as well. What's the day today? You have to circle over here. This you have to do by own. You have to go outside, observe the weather, how's the weather today, and you have to circle the clip art. Okay, so what is your today concept? Your today concept is numbers. Number 1 to 100. What is written over here in this caption? Number 1 to 100. तो आज आप क्या करोगे रिवाइज? आप numbers 1 to 100 रिवाइज करोगे. In your revision session also you are revising the numbers. But till how we revise it? We revise it till number 50, है ना? 50 तक आप revise कर चुके थे. 1 to 50 we have done it. So now we are doing 1 to 100 numbers. So there is an activity through which you will revise all your counting. Okay, so first of all there are two friends. Okay, two friends हैं आपके. Okay, let me hide the camera first because we are starting our lecture, right? तो ओके, नाउ आई वांट कि आपका सारा फोकस यहाँ पर हो, आपकी बुक पर हो. यू डोंट हैव टू बी डिस्ट्रैक्टेड विद एनीथिंग. ओके, तो यहीं पर ही आपका सारा ध्यान होना चाहिए. तो what we are talking about, we are talking about two friends. ठीक है, आपके two friends थे टॉनी एंड टीना. ठीक है, both are the classmates. दोनों बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड्स थे. So टॉनी said I have collected a lot of buttons. So टॉनी क्या कहता है टीना को? टॉनी said I have collected lot of buttons. मैंने बहुत सारे buttons collect करे हैं. So टीना said good, we can play with them on the number board. So टीना क्या कहती है? टीना कहती है very good टॉनी, हम क्या करेंगे उन बटन्स की हेल्प से? We will play with them. कहाँ पर? On a number board. So students, today I'll introduce you an activity. Okay, ma'am will introduce you an activity, and through that this activity you will revise all your counting. Okay, तो आप देखो, इन दिस वर्कशीट देयर इज अ नंबर बोर्ड गिवन टू यू, है ना, ये आपको क्या दिया हुआ है, नंबर बोर्ड दिया हुआ है, और इस नंबर बोर्ड पे 1 to 100 नंबर्स आर मेंशन। तो आप इस बोर्ड की भी हेल्प ले सकते हो टू कंप्लीट दिस एक्टिविटी। अदरवाइज आपकी जो बुक किट सेट आपको स्कूल से अवेलेबल हुआ है, इन दैट देयर इज अ नंबर बोर्ड। ठीक है, आप उसमें देखो, आपको फ्लैश कार्ड्स के साथ एक ये नंबर बोर्ड दिया हुआ है। ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू यूज दैट नंबर बोर्ड। आपको इस नंबर बोर्ड का यूज करना है। ठीक है, इज इट विजिबल टू यू ऑल? ओके, तो दिस इज अ नंबर बोर्ड विच यू हैव टू टेक एज अ टीचिंग रिसोर्स। ठीक है, आपको इस नंबर बोर्ड का यूज करना है एंड कंप्लीट करनी है अपनी एक्टिविटी। फाइन। तो एंड वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू शेयर, जितने भी आपको फ्लैश कार्ड सी, ये जितने भी आपको फ्लैश कार्ड्स, हिंदी के फ्लैश कार्ड्स, दिस इज योर मैथ्स फ्लैश कार्ड्स, ठीक है, ये आपको ध्यान से रखने हैं व्हेन यू डू एन एक्टिविटी। आपने एक्टिविटी कर ली है, फिर उसके बाद सेफ जगह पर आपको इन फ्लैश कार्ड्स को कैरी करना, बिकॉज अगेन एंड अगेन आपकी बुक में मैम आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज परफॉर्म करवाएंगी, सो यू विल नीड दैट फ्लैश कार्ड अगेन एंड अगेन। ओके, सो यू नीड नॉट टू टीयर देम, यू नीड टू हार्म देम। ओके, आपको बिल्कुल इसको अच्छे से एक सेफ जगह पर, आप किसी क्लियर बैग में, डॉक्यूमेंट बैग में आप उसको रख सकते हो एक सेफ जगह पे। जब आपने एक बार एक्टिविटी कर ली, देन you have to carry those flashcards and put it in your bag or in your clear bag. Okay, so आपने मम्मा को after doing an activity you have to hand over to your mama that mama please आप इसको रख दो। Okay, fine। Okay, students, so I told you that you can use this number board as well। Otherwise जो आपको बुक के सेट के साथ आपको फ्लैश कार्ड्स मिले हैं, आप उसका भी यूज कर सकते हो। ओके, सो दिस इज अ नंबर बोर्ड। नंबर बोर्ड क्या होता है? नंबर बोर्ड इज अ बोर्ड जहां पर आपको आपको नंबर्स मेंशन होते हैं। ओके, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस नंबर बोर्ड you have to perform this activity। So what is there in this activity? Let us read। So parents, it's a request that you have to help our kids while doing this activity in home, right? तो सबसे पहले आपने क्या करना है? द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज लेट द चिल्ड्रन मूव द बटन ऑन द 100 बोर्ड एज यू कॉल आउट 1 2 3 4 5 अप टू 20। तो आपने क्या करना है? आपने स्टूडेंट्स को बटन देने हैं, और वन बाय वन स्टूडेंट क्या करेगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल he or she has number, right, button, so he will move over here button and say 1, then again he will move his button to 2, then he or she have to read it loud that this is number 2, then again he or she move it forward, so he she say that mama this is 3, then again he used to move his or her button forward and say this is 4, again you have to move forward, forward means आगे की तरफ। Okay, forward means आगे, right? Then again he or she move his her button and say this is 6, again you have to move your button and what is this number? This is 7। So in this way he used to complete till 20, then he or she complete till 30 40 50। Okay, तो ऐसे करके आपको 100 तक कंप्लीट करना है। आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू क्रिएट फन इन दिस, वेट, right? So afterwards you have to create fun in this activity. How? That you can call a number, whosoever is there with you, if your mama is there with you to help you doing your work, so your mama will say okay you have to put your button on number 1313, so you have to search for the number। Okay, where is 1313? Here it is mama, so you have to take your button and you have to move it over here। Okay, so in this way you have to conduct this worksheet. Okay, then again your mama will call a number loudly that now you have to put your button on 3838. Then kids may search, where is mama, where is mama, I can't find it. Here it is. This is your number 3838. So you have to put your button on number 38 and then you have to read it aloud. Okay. So in this way, if you are doing so, it's a fun learning activity और इससे आपको नंबर रिकॉग्निशन भी आपका स्ट्रांग होता है. ठीक है, आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं रहेगी दैट is it 3838 or 8333. Okay, so you have to do this activity at your home to clear the concepts of number. Fine. Okay, now you have to come down. Let's read the next step. Okay, after that, then call out a number at random first within 1 to 20. आपने 1 to 20 read कर लिया, then parents you have to call any number uh, इन बिटवीन 1 to 20. आपने 1 to 20 स्टूडेंट्स ने आपको बता दिया दैट दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2, 3. ठीक है, तो आपने कोई भी रैंडम नंबर 1 to 20 की रेंज में से यू हैव टू कॉल लाउडली and then what they will say, the children will say that mama, see, here it is 12. So then you have to ask our kids that now you have to place your button on the right number from the number board. Okay, like I will give you an example. Suppose students will do up to 20. So I'm saying that Arna, you have to tell me where your number 1515. So Arna will search, where is the number 15? Mama, here it is. This is number 15. So you have to say, Arna, okay, put your button on number 15. So she will put it over here. Okay, now Samarth, tell me where is number 4? Mama, here it is. Okay, put your button on number 4. Okay, Mama. So here it is. Okay, so in this way you have to do this step. Afterwards, let's come to the next step, that how we have to conduct that step. Okay, next ask the children to place the button on a particular number, say 26. Okay, सबसे पहले आपने क्या करना है, सबसे पहले आपको रेंज में स्टूडेंट्स को 1 to 20, देन 20 to 30, 30 to 40, ऐसे आपको बटन्स मूव करवाने हैं एंड उसी रेंज में यू हैव टू कॉल अलाउड अ नंबर एंड देन यू हैव टू से दैट यू हैव टू प्लेस दैट button on a particular number. अब आपने क्या करना है, you don't have to give them the range. You generally have to say them that now you have to place your button on number 26. Okay, this is a repeating exercise जिससे कि students के concepts जो हैं वो और strong हो रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो आपने कोई भी जनरली 1 to 100 कोई भी नंबर बोला. सपोज यू सेड नाउ पुट योर बटन ऑन नंबर 51 सानवी. सो सानवी को पता है वेयर इज 51, सो शी विल पुट her button on number 51. Okay, he said, Gunisha, you have to put your button on 4646. Tell me, where is 46? Put your button on number 46. So Gunisha will search for the number. Here it is 46. So she will put the button on number 46. So in this way, you have to conduct this activity at your home with your kids. Okay, and जहाँ पर भी उनको help की ज़रूरत है, so you have to help our kids. At this particular time you have to conduct the forward counting, the backward counting, do backward counting as well using the same method of moving the buttons backward from 100 to 1. But we are not doing the backward counting now because we have to do the forward counting concept. We have to keep on revising the concept, so that's why we have to take it as simple as, right? So you have to go the activity with the forward counting. Fine. So this is the activity which you have to conduct today, and for that you have to prepare a video. If video is comfortable with you, so you can share the video with me. Otherwise, you can capture the pictures. Okay. So that's it for your today task. Parents, please help our kids during this activity because this is the initial stage where they need your guidance. Okay. Otherwise, I am there to help you out. So that's it for your today activity task. Okay, now you have to move your page forward. Okay, when you conduct this activity at your home, the next task is that you have to write counting in this. There are some missing numbers, fine, but this worksheet we are conducting on the next day. Okay, but you have to wait for that. You need not to write the counting over here. Fine. So this is your tomorrow work. Your only work for today is that you have to conduct this activity. And one more thing I will not tell. Okay, I will write it over here. One more thing which you have to do in your maths is that you have the maths notebook with you. So you have to write homework for today. You have to write WRITE, write numbers, NUMBER, write numbers 51, 51 to 100. So you have to write your counting from 51 to 100. This is your today task. You have to complete this activity as well as you have to write counting from 51 to 100. Okay, so that's it about your today maths task. And you know what you have to do in your English subject. You have to cover the first half of this page. You have to revise all the words which I'll introduce you today with the A sounds. And in creative, you have to draw a cat with the help of two circles. So that's it about your today work. Okay. Okay, students, that's it for today. Have a good day. Bye bye. Love you all.